Stephanie Stitches here. Welcome to my channel where together we sew. If you're brand new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below and ring the bell for notifications, and you'll get notified when I go live, which is most Saturdays at 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and when I post up new videos like this one. And if you are not brand new here and you're coming back, thank you guys so much for coming back. I love to see you all here, and I love seeing your names in the comments, so thank you so much. Today I've got the next Pastry Shop Box of Treats box to open for you. I get this from the Pastry Shop Quilt shop from Sherry for review, and I want to open it and show you what's inside. The last couple have been amazing, and so I can't wait to see. I did want to say one thing before we got started. Box number 1, there is a pattern correction, so if you got that box and you haven't received an email from Sherry, then reach out to her at Pastry Shop Quilts. There was a little minor correction, and she was going to email it out to everyone, but if you haven't started the project yet and you got that box, go ahead and reach out to her. Accidents happen. You know, we're not perfect. We put these boxes together, we do our best we can, but things happen sometimes, and it's okay. Not the end of the world, but if you didn't get that revision, make sure you contact her so you can have the correct pattern. So let's go ahead and get this open and see what's inside. Okay, so this is what the box looks like. This is Box of Treats number 3, and this is going to be available within the next week, I believe. Like I said, Sherry sends it to me for review, so she does send it to me a little bit early so I can show it to you guys. This box is $39.95 a month, or I shouldn't say a month, I think it's about every 6 weeks if you do the subscription, or if you would like to try out the box before you do a subscription, or you can't do a monthly subscription but you would like to get a box that you see every now and again, she will sell single boxes for a little bit more, for $45.95, so you do get a little bit of a benefit if you purchase this as a subscription. I highly recommend this box. This is the 3rd one. The first 2 blew my mind. They were absolutely amazing, and she's doing a wonderful job. So let's get this open and see what's inside. I did cut the sticker that holds it shut, but I have not opened it yet, so yay! Super excited. So this is what the inside looks like. Got a little sticker that says Pastry Shop Quilt. As you can see, I haven't opened anything yet. And then she always puts a nice little note right on top. Let's see. It says, "Thank you for purchasing treat box number 3, Playtime Cartwheels. This box features Chloe's Closet 30s Playtime Collection. I had a little playtime fun with this twisting a retro bow tie block. To me, the result looked like somersaulting cartwheels. The bow tie block was one of my earliest introductions into quilting for grandmothers who used actual feed sacks to hand-stitch quilts. I chose the fun dot on dot from Muslin Mates for the background. The solid blue is Bella Summer Sky, and I hope you love all the goodies in your box. To complement your 30s quilt, I found some old-fashioned wooden spools with magnetic pin holders, and I've included a zipper Pin Pals bag to hold your quilt projects. And there's an old-fashioned candy cane to complete the box. And hey y'all, yes, I'm from Texas. So here's a mini charm from Allie K Designs out of Dallas, Texas. She's famous for her black and white line artwork." Oh, that's awesome. I love Allie K's stuff. It's very, very creative. Okay, so let's see what we've got in here. Oh, that's cute. So we've got a little bag. Let me get this open. Sorry about the noise there. So this is really cute. Little Pin Pals bag. Really good size to put everything that's in this box is actually going to fit in here, so that's cool. So we've got a magnetic spool pin cushion. Oh, these are cute. I've seen these before and I love them. I don't actually have one though, so I'm excited to really get this. Let's see. Oop. Oh, I love it. It actually has thread wound on it, which is really cute, and the center is magnetic, as you can see. So I love that. I'm gonna put that right in my bag. We got that mini charm that she talked about, the Hey Y'all from Allie K. Now, this one was sort of Texas themed, but all of her designs, Allie K's designs, you can see the state of Texas on there sort of. I'm gonna pull it all the way out, but all of her designs are always black and white and gray. This is the first one that's been Texas themed, but the one before this and the one coming after is not. But I love the hand-drawn look of this fabric. I think that's really neat. I am not artistic at all, so anybody that can draw just totally amazes me. So that's the mini charm. Oh, cute fabric. 30s Playtime by Chloe's Closet. I don't typically go for 30s, but this totally reminds me of my grandma, and that's really cute. There's a lot of pastels that remind me of my childhood and my grandmother's house and kitchen. But, oh, this one's cute. This one's got spools on it. I really like this. That's really nice. So there's the the charm pack. Oh, we have one of these old-fashioned candy sticks. It's cotton candy flavored. I know who's going to get this. That would be my daughter, Sarah. She loves that kind of stuff. We've got a thread spool holder, which is awesome. And we've got a spool of Metler thread. This is a beautiful blue color. It almost matches that fabric perfectly. It's gorgeous. I'll put those in there. And it looks like we've got some cuts of fabric to go along with our charm pack. Oh, that blue is just pretty. It's like a cornflower blue. And this is coming across a little bit more orange, but it's more of a coral. It's really pretty. That's cute. Perfect, like 4th of July-ish colors. Let's see. There's a pink. Again, that coral, it's more of a pinky coral. It's coming across more orange, but it's definitely like a pink coral. I love this one with the spools. How cute is that? Polka dots. Red polka dots. And blue polka dots. Awesome. What great colors. I like this fabric. I like it a lot. And here's that Bella Solid she was talking about. That's pretty. And then let's see what's in here. Oh, what a cute pattern. Okay. So, materials needed, 72 charm squares, 1 yard of blue solid, which we have that right there, 1 1/4 yards of background fabric, a 1/2 yard binding, 3 1/3 yards backing, depending on your quilting method. So here's what the quilt looks like. She's calling it Playtime Cartwheels. It's 54 by 54, and Sherry does come up with all her own patterns, which is really nice. I love getting original patterns. That looks great. Well, that will be a fun one to make. So that goes with everything there. And that was the box. So that was a really great box. Let me take this out. So again, we got the pattern. Playtime Cartwheels. Very cute. This blue fabric, all these coordinating fabrics, the charm pack, the candy stick, the magnetic spool pin holder, the mini charm pack, the Metler thread that matches everything, and then the thread holder, and then this cute little bag that you can put it all in. So if you're like me and you don't keep all the boxes, because when I do I get inundated with boxes, I have too many boxes, I can take this whole project and put it in this bag, including all the notions she gave us, because everything fits, which is awesome. I love that, because I typically take everything out of boxes and put them in project bags anyway. So that's great. I love that she included this. Okay, so that's the box for this time around. This is the treat box number 3. If you haven't checked it out yet, I will link to her website down below where you can go subscribe to her boxes. This is a great box. This is the 3rd one. She's hitting it out of the ballpark every single time. I've loved the project, love the fabrics, so I hope you guys can support her and go check her out. Thank you guys so much for watching, and have a great day. Bye!